Today I'm going to show you how to create a new document in Photoshop. Once you've opened Photoshop, which is the blue Adobe icon that has a P and a S, you'll want to go up to File, New. Once you've gone here, this is where you'll see your most recent documents that you've used. Of course, mine has more than yours. So up here at the very top, we have already pre-made, predetermined sizes. So if you go into photo, you have a 5x7, a 3x2, 6x4, so on. In print, we have those as well. The most common one we'll use in my class will be the letter size. Once you see the letter size, it's going to give you an 8.5 by 11, hence the size right here at the bottom. Anytime we create a document in my class, we want to name it. We name it last name, dot first name, and whatever the project name is. So this one will be tutorial. So here, this is considered to be portrait mode, to where your page is going to stand straight up and down. This is your landscape mode, to where it's going to have it wider. Let's go ahead and click that landscape mode, and let's click create. Now, let me go back real quick. This is what it should look like. If by chance, when you create a new document and you forget to hit this and your document comes straight up and down, before you do anything, you can go up to image at the top. You can go down to image rotation, and you can rotate 90 degrees clockwise. And that will get your document to where it looks like this. Some of you may be wondering why this one is more zoomed out and zoomed in. I know some of you all are wondering why this one is zoomed out and this one's zoomed in. It's just a small command of pressing Command 0, and it will make it larger. Command minus can make it smaller.